I just installed the front lip, or what they call the front splitter, on the Grand Sport. Let's see if y'all can see it real quick. I also had the front windshield tinted with ceramic tint, so you can check that out. It's been real hot here in Texas, so I had to definitely do that. But here it is, the new splitter, the front splitter, stage 3, with the winglets on the side. I know it's kind of bright right now. I just finished it, so I just wanted to make sure I document it correctly. Yeah, it definitely looks nice. So you see, I got the ceramic tint also. Yeah, this is the side view. Probably pull it out later on and drive it. I gotta make sure my tint is good to go too. Supposed to let it cure for a couple of days. Let me see again. Sun just went behind a cloud, so. Yeah, it took a while. I mean, just trying to making sure it actually came out the way it was supposed to. I didn't take it to anybody. I installed it myself. So, just like I did the ones on the back. Let's see. That's it. That's it.